Hello everyone, my name is Isaac and I'm here to continue the introduction to computers basic practicals. Now previously on our first lesson, we learned on how we can switch on a computer. So in this video, we are now going to proceed to our next lesson where we are now going to learn on how we can switch off a computer. So the first step when switching off a computer, you click on the start button as it is shown clearly in this diagram. Then after you are through with this step, we now proceed to step 2. Step 2, you click on the power button as it is shown here. Then after you are done with this, we now proceed to our third step. So at the third step, you click on the shutdown option as it is shown here. Then after you are done with this, you wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then after you are through with this, we now proceed to step 4. Step 4, you switch off the monitor button as it is shown in this diagram. You switch off the monitor button. Then after this, you now proceed to our fifth step. In our fifth step, you switch off the UPS button as it is shown in this diagram. So lastly, in our last step, you now switch off the main supply button, and through these steps you already have switched off your computer. So it is good to note that when switching off the main supply button directly without shutting down the computer, you can harm your computer. So it is advisable that you follow the steps so that you may not destroy your computer. So we can do it practically. So this is now what we are calling the start button. Then when you left click, you proceed to the power option, and then you click on the shutdown option. So when you left click on the shutdown option, the computer will shut down automatically. So that is the basic steps that you are supposed to follow when you are switching off a computer. So we can go through them. Again. In summary, we can go through them. So we have said that our first step when switching off a computer is you click on the start button. Then you proceed on, you click on to the power button. Then in step 3, you click on the shutdown option. After you are through with this, you switch off the monitor button. After you are through with this, you switch off the UPS button. Then on last 3, you now switch off the main supply button. So those are the basic procedure that you use when switching off a computer. So that's all for today in this video. So our next lesson, we are now going to discuss on how we can change the desktop background. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, feel free to subscribe, comment, share, and also hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss on our new uploads. So in conclusion, I will end this video tutorial with these words: if you are a youth out there, know and believe that you are never too young to change the world. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial.